Hello, this is Padma Board Divine Reading, and we are doing bonus reading for Virgo. So let's see what is there for you in this week. We got okay. Yes, you are in a state of too much fights, too much war kind of situation, and you want peace. You don't want all these things. Many people are fighting for your land, for your property, for your love, for your mental peace, for your belongings, for your peels, for your jewelry, whatnot, for your reputation. They are harming your reputations, and they are forcing you to leave your place. Okay, they are trying to. Uh, they are trying to do. They are not trying to do. They are actually doing so many bad things, and to just they are putting so much pressures and group of peoples against you uh, purposely. Okay, but you are fighting like a king. King of swords is here. You are fighting like a king, although you are all alone, but we have to understand that king is never alone. They have their kings have their army. But right now, because of you have some problems, or maybe many kind of problems or obligations or duties, so they are forcing you to leave your place. Okay, so and you are also thinking that you deserve better than this. You deserve better education for yourself. You deserve better job opportunities for yourself. You deserve better career options for you. You deserve better money for your work, and you are trying to save your field reputation, your properties, your families, and this is uh, at topmost level. Okay, this fight is on the topmost level, and now you are thinking that should I live here or should I change my place, because this time is uh, this time is very changing period for you. You have to take decision. You want more fight or you want a peaceful life for yourself. I can say in other words that if somebody is forcing you to leave that place, and you work very hard, you fought very hard for your place, but ultimately you chose to leave that place for your betterment. So ultimately, these annoying people is doing something good for you. Okay, because when you change your place, you will get better opportunities. Here you get what you got is less than your less than what you deserve in your life, and now you are understanding this thing really. Yeah, now you understand that I deserve better than this, or maybe in some cases it's like you already fought one battle, you already won this battle, and now you are in better place to use your money and resources in other places. Like you were in village, now you fight in a competition, and there was so many drama there, so many battles were there, so many uh, trickery was there, so many deceptive behaviors were there. But you won that fight, and now you want to use your resources and money to establish yourself in better place and in grand way. So yes, Three of Pentacles is here, and now you, with your army, with your people, with your money, with your reputation, with your experience, with your work experience, you want to explore your life more. Okay, in overseas, you want to explore your life where you were not there. So you got lots of confidence because of this fight, lots of experience because of this fight, and now you want to put your resources to make a big you. Okay, good. Make a big you. Four of Cups, Knight of Wands, the Magician. Bottom of the deck is the Fool, the Devil. Okay, you have filled with great compassion. You want new life, as I said, you want new life, and uh, you are manifesting better life for you. It's not like somebody offer you something, you accept it. You want to manifest your own life in your own terms, in your own ways, because now you are not that much fool. Okay, although it's a new start, but you are not that much fool right now. You are not that much naive, and you can manifest your life, new life by yourself. So it could be an offer for you which is very tempting, and you want to accept this offer. But Knight of Wands is not a serious person, where a Magician and King of Swords are really very serious person, articulate person. So I think you will choose uh, this proposal very wisely. You should choose this proposal very wisely. The devil is here. Okay. So you have to understand that what is only tempting, what offer is only tempting offer, and what really needs your attention. So don't be knave, be magician, and be king of wands. So these are the possibilities here for you in this week. So this was all from us. Keep in touch with us. Give your like and subscribe to tell me that you like this stream. Okay, take care. Bye.